Hey, give me a hug. Go play. Jugger! When he comes over here, we get it. Be your sister. Patty Philippe.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
They want some ices. Justine!
I didn't even see it. I was going to ask you about it. I go, that's just you out here? You out here?
Say hi, Oli.
Justine!
Chuggy.
Jugger.
Not even Chuggy.
Let her out so she got a fighting chance.
No, don't let her out either.
Why not? Whoa. How beautiful it is today. What's today, April 20th or 21st? April 20th is the day that you denied your kids to play outside.
Yep, that's right. I'm an eagle parrot.
Look at that. Blue skies, no clouds in sight.
I'm
it's
tired.
Beautiful.
I'm dead.
Let your kids play.
Yeah, they're going to play in my house.
Oh my God, it's so selfish.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, take her. Leave me Nani.
What?
Leave Nani with me. Come on, leave her with me. Let her have fun. So my girls can have fun.
Your girls have fun. I had that
Hi, Sabrina.
Let me stop recording. Hold on.